Our sovereign God, by His own word, sustains this world and reigns as Lord. No angel, demon, sinful man can change His course, restrain His hand. O sovereign God, we praise your power, your wisdom, goodness we adore. We bow our hearts before your throne. Help us, O Lord, to trust you more. Help us, O Lord, to trust you more. When the fullness of the time had come, God sent His own beloved Son to keep God's law, live in our place, to bear our sin, guilt and disgrace. Dead in our sin, estranged from God, we fled as rebels from His love. In sovereign grace, He made us sons and saved us from the wrath to come, and saved us from the wrath to come. Before our birth, He planned our days, laid out our course, ordained our ways. The moments of our lives He weaves, so all the glory He receives. To those He loved before all time, to all He called in grace renewed. He cannot lie, His word is true. He makes all things to work for good. He makes all things to work for good. He has written mysteries fine